Dear friends, greetings. I have one friend. His name is Cody. He was in my previous parish. He was a good man. He was serving in the Air Force of United States of America. He was an intelligent man, and he could do wonders in technology. One evening, he went to a bar. He wanted to have a conversation with his girlfriend. His girlfriend also brought her own friend with her. The conversation became argument. And there was a terrible argument between himself and his girlfriend. He took the gun and shot both his girlfriend and her friend. It was a big tragedy. He was in the jail. I went to meet him in the jail. And he was first very much upset. He felt very sorry for what he has done. He regretted. Then after a week, he changed himself. He has started to concentrate on the present life. He started to read books. He started to read Bible. He started to receive good advice from his counselors. And now he is a librarian in the jail. And he is reading so many books. And he is advising his own friends in the jail. He organizes common activity to improve positive thinking among the jailers and prisoners. Every month he writes a letter to me. I could see how positive he is. He wants to live the present life. He did not worry about his past. He is not worried about his future. His parents are very much worried about his future because he is a young man and he has several years in prison. But he did not worry about these things. He started to use every minute of his life meaningfully, usefully. I was really surprised by that. I always appreciate the book, The Power of Now. Now is the present time of God's acting in the world. Our God is not the God of past. Our God is a God of present life. In the Old Testament we see that God has revealed himself as a God of present. I am who I am. That is the greatest revelation of God to Moses and all other prophets in the Old Testament. And Jesus also was called the Son of the living God. He lived the present. He lived every moment. I used to say to my friends, he lived only 33 years. In 33 years, he was in ministry 3 years only. In 3 years, he did wonders. Last 2000 years, we are speaking about him, his words, his actions, his ministry, and his messages. He lived the present life fully and meaningfully. Dear friends, many of us worried about our past life. Many of us also worried about our future. Rarely we live the present life. Every moment is eternity. Every moment we have to live fully. That is the message I received from the Gospels and from the life of Jesus. I like always one saint, that is Padre Pio. He taught me a beautiful prayer. Lord, I offer my past to your mercy, my present to your love, and my future to your providence. What a great prayer. Let us live the present. Let us live meaningfully. Let us live fully. Present life is the revelation of God. It is the act of God, a creative act of God in this world. Thank you.